Sweep. To clean the floor using a broom or a vacuum cleaner. Mop. To clean the floor by using a mop and water or a cleaning solution. Dust. To remove dust from surfaces using a cloth or a duster. Vacuum. To use a vacuum cleaner to clean carpets or upholstery. Wipe. To clean or dry surfaces using a cloth or paper towel. Scrub. To clean by rubbing hard with a brush or sponge, usually with soap and water. Washington. To clean using water and usually soap or detergent. Dry. To remove moisture or water from something using a cloth or by letting it air dry. Polish. To make something shine or give it a glossy finish by using a polish or cleaner. Iron. To press or smooth out wrinkles in clothes using an iron. Fold. To neatly arrange clothes or fabric by doubling or bending them into a smaller size. Organize. To arrange items or belongings in a neat and orderly manner. Sort. To separate or arrange things according to their type, category, or purpose. Cleanse. To remove dirt, grime, or impurities from something using a cleaning agent. Disinfect. To kill or remove germs and bacteria from surfaces or objects to make them sanitary. Tidy. To make things neat and well organized by putting them in their proper places. Dispose. To get rid of or throw away something that is no longer needed or wanted. Load. To put items into a washing machine, dishwasher, or dryer for cleaning or drying. Unload. To remove items from a washing machine, dishwasher, or dryer after cleaning or drying. Maintain. To keep something in good condition or working order through regular cleaning and upkeep. Dustpan. A flat, shallow pan used for collecting dust and debris swept from the floor. Broom. A long-handled brush used for sweeping floors or outdoor areas. Sponge. A soft and porous material used for cleaning or absorbing liquids. Dishcloth. A cloth used for washing dishes or wiping kitchen surfaces. Detergent. A cleaning agent used for washing dishes, clothes, or other surfaces. Stain. A mark or discoloration on a surface, often requiring cleaning or removal. Squeegee. A tool with a rubber blade used for cleaning windows or other smooth surfaces. Lint. Small fibers or particles that accumulate on clothing or surfaces, requiring removal. Duster. A tool or cloth used for removing dust from surfaces. Trash. Waste materials or items that are no longer needed and should be thrown away. Deodorize. To remove or neutralize unpleasant odors from an area or item.